Welcome to our third transformation video of our month-long series. We have one goal in this room, and that is to transform a dark and dull room in a basement into a brighter one. So when we first came to this room, all the furnitures were all mismatched. There were brown, there were white, there were black, all sorts of different colors. Now, we made it all cohesive, just one color that would brighten up a dull basement.
We dropped off our furnitures to JAROM Painting Incorporated, and what they did was they painted all the furnitures in the color that we want.
And thanks to JAROM Painting, because they are the ones who did the good work for all these paintings. Look at the details.
So these are the furnitures that we repurposed. We'll be painting this black. And we can't wait to transform this room.
So Rianni and I transformed the extra bedroom my parents' basement. So here is how it looks before. Do you guys want to see the transformation? Let's find out.
About this room, can you please tell us what we did in this room?
We made this room with no personalization at all. The reason for that is because it's an extra bedroom, so you don't want to feel all feminine or all masculine. Now let me talk to you about the bedside table. We kept it simple with the off-white color, just like the other furnitures in the room, and then black for the handles. So was the other side as well. Do you have any room that needs ARdeco love? Just give us a shout at 780-707-4834 and our team would love to speak to you.